Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter probability and statistics. And the lessons we're going to cover are mean, median, mode and range. Then combinations, interpret chart to find mean, median, mode and range. Then we'll start a new chapter that is geometric measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover today are prime perimeter and perimeter word problems. So let's just start with the chapter. Okay, Rahman grade 4 maths. We're going to start with the chapter probability and statistics. Let's just start with the chapter. Okay, let's just start with the lesson mean, median, mode and range. Okay, what is the mod? So basically mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the data. Got it? So let's just see. Here you have 0 two times, 9 two times, and 7 three times. So that means the mod value is 7. Got it? Because the mod value is 3 times. 7 is 3 times. So that means 7 is mod. Okay, what is the median? Median is the number that divides the data into two equal parts. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the range? Range of the data means you have to subtract the greatest number in the data minus the smallest number. So the greatest number in the data is 2 and the smallest is 0. So it will be 2 minus 0 equals 2. That means the range of the data is 2. Got it? Okay, what is the median of the data? Median is the number that divides the data into two exactly equal parts. For the median, first of all, you have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Let's just arrange them. It would be 1, 3, 3, 3, 6, 5, and 8. Now let's see. This one is the middle one because here you have three numbers and here you have three numbers. So the median of the data is 3. So the correct option is 3. Okay, what is the mean? You have to calculate the mean of the data. So to calculate the mean of the data, you have to sum up all the numbers and divide by the number. It would be you have to add 8, 7. Let me just add using calculator. It would be 8, 7, 10, 8, 6, 10. It would be 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you have to divide it by the 7 because the total numbers are 7. You have to, for mean, what you have to do, you have to add all the given values, just add them, like 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 8 plus 0 plus 6 plus 10. That would be 49, and they all are 7 in number, so divided by the 7. That means the mean of the data is 7. Again, what is the median? So for the median, you have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. And you have to find the middle number that divides the data into two exactly equal parts. So the median of the data would be. So the median of the data is 6. So the correct option is 6. What is the mod? So which is the correct option? Mod is the number that appears the most in the data. So which is the correct option? So here you have 0 appears 3 times. That means the mod of the data is 0. Okay, what is the mean? So for the mean, you have to sum up, add them all. Let's just add and divide by the 1, 2, 3, 4 because they are 6 in numbers. You have to divide it by the 6, 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1. Sum of all the numbers is 24. Got it? 24 divided by 6, 6 times 4 is 24. That means the mean of the data is 4. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is combinations. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, Carl is deciding what to order at the ice cream shop. He can choose a sugar cone, dish or waffle cone, and he can have mint or chocolate ice cream. How? He can have butterscotch or caramel sauce. How many different combinations can Carl order? So he have three choices for cone. They are sugar, cone, dish, and waffle. Then he have two flavors. They are chocolate and mint flavor. Then he have another two sauce options. They are butterscotch and caramel. So you have to multiply all the when you have to find the all the possible combinations. So for all possible combinations you have to multiply all the numbers. They are 4 times 3 is 12 and 12 times 2 is 24. So the correct option is 24. Oh, 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 2 is 12. That means the total combinations are 12. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, Edward is ordering a salad for lunch. He can choose one of beans or turkey to have on the salad. So he have two options. Then he can also pick one vegetable topping. You have one for the vegetable. The vegetables are sprouts and peppers. You have two options for the vegetables. The dressing choices are blue cheese or mustard cheese. How many different combinations can Edward create? Two options for salad, they are turkey or beans. Then two options for the vegetable choices, sprouts and pepper. And then two options for blue jeans or honey mustard. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. So the correct option is. So it would be 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. Two choices for the salad, then two choices for the toppings, and then two choices for the cheese. So it will be 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. So the correct option is 8. When wanted to buy a new pair of skates, he can buy speed skates or roller skates. A pair of skates can come in gold or blue. How many different combinations can when choose from? So you have speed skates or roller skates, two types of skates. Then you have a pair of skates can come in gold or blue. So 2 times 2 is 4. That means the total options they have is 4. So it would be 2 times 2. That means the total options are 4. Kimberly is picking her activities for the year. She wants to play one sport and join one club. The sports she can play are field hockey, lacrosse, and golf. The clubs she is considering as a drama club, journalism club, and art club. How many different combinations of activities can Kimberly pick? So, activities you have to select. Okay. So, activities. The sports can, the clubs is drama club, journalism club, and art club. So that means 3 times 2 sports. It would be 9. The correct option is 9. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is interpret charts for mean, median, mode, and range. The local high school find out many members each club had. What is the range of the numbers? You have to calculate the range. So you just have to read the values from the graph. Got it? You can see like here you have history club. Just match here and match this to the graph. So it would be 80. That means that would be 80 for this one. Just match the screen. So it would be 60. Then they are 20 and 20, then it is 70 and then it is 70. So for the range what we have to, the greatest number minus the smallest number. So here you have 80 and here you have 20. So 80 minus 20 is 60. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Christoph's class recorded how many states each student has visited. What is the mean of the number? So you have to calculate the mean of the number. So let's just read the values. So it would be one complete like this means 5 and 5 plus 1, 6. You have 2. Here you have 5 and 2, 7. Here you have 5 and 2, 7. Here you have 5 and 2, 7. 5 and 8. You have to calculate the mean. For the mean, you have to add up all the values. Let's just add. It would be 6 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8. So sum of all numbers is 48, 44, and you have to divide it by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 44 divided by 7, that means the correct option is 6. So the mean value of the numbers is 6. The employee at the department store counted the number of ties on each tie rack. What is the mean of the numbers? Basically, that is a stem and leaf plot. So how do we read the values in the stem and leaf plot? You have to combine each stem with each value in the leaf, like 1 and 2 first time. Again you have 2, so it makes 12. Again 13, then 15, then 16, then 18, then 18, and then 19. Then you have 20, then you have 24, then you have 25, then you have 26, then you have 26 and 36. Just add up all the values because you need to calculate the mean. Got it? Let me just use the calculator. So sum of all the values is 280, and they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 11, 9, 10, 11 to 13, 14. You have to divide 280 by 14, so it makes 20. That means the mean of all the values is 20. A concession stand worker at the movie theater looked up how many bags of popcorn were sold in 5 days. So you have to calculate the mean of the data. Let's just read the values from the graph. Here it is. Just match this line to the graph. Got it? It would be okay. So here you have 30, 90, 40, 70, and 70. So you have to calculate the mean of the data. So just add them up and divide them by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would be 30 plus 90 plus 40 plus 70 plus 70. It would be 300, and when you divide it by the 5, it would be 60. That means the mean of the data is 60. Halle's classmates recorded how many books they read last year. What is the mod of the numbers? Mod is the number that appears the most in the data. So which appears most of the time? That would be 1, 2, 93. I think the correct option is 93, because 93 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the data. So 93 is the mean. Okay, the local high school club find out how many members each club had. So you have to calculate the range of the data. So for the range, you have to subtract the greatest number minus the smallest number. Mm, 80, 60, 20, 20, 70 and 70. So the greatest value is 80 and smallest is 20. So 80 minus 20 is 60. That means the range of the data is 60. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just start the new chapter. We're done with the lesson. We're going to start the new chapter, that is two-dimensional figures. Two-dimensional figures. No, we're going to start the new chapter, that is geometric measurement. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson. Find the area or missing side length of the rectangle. Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? You are given the length of the rectangle and the width of the rectangle. So whenever you have to calculate the square of the rectangle, you just have to do length time width. So whenever you have to calculate the area of the rectangle, you need to do length time width. Got it? The length of the given triangle is 3 and the width is 2, so it would be 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? You are given the length and the width of the rectangle. So for the area, what you have to do, you have to do length time width. So 5 times 2 is 10. So the correct option is 10. Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? What is the area of the rectangle? It is 5 times 2 again. You can see it would be 10. Okay, again, what is the area of the rectangle? You have to do 4 times 3. Length time width, that would be 12. What is the area of the rectangle? That would be 5 times 4 again, that would be 20. Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? That would be 3 times 2. Got it? That is 6. What is the area of the rectangle? Five times 4, so that would be 20. What is the area of the rectangle? It would be 4 times 2 equals 8. What is the area of the rectangle? 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is parameter. Okay, what is the parameter? You have to calculate the parameter. So for the parameter, basically you have to use the coordinates of the corner to find the length of each side. You have to calculate the length of each side. Either you can calculate them by like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 9 actually. For the parameter, you have to add up all the side lengths. So you just have to calculate all the side lengths. So the all the side lengths are 9. So whenever you're going to calculate the parameter, you have to add up all the side lengths. So just add 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So that would be 36. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the parameter? First, you have to calculate the side lengths of the um, colored shape, and then you have to calculate the, you can use either coordinate, or either you can 1, 2, 3, 4. You can calculate like this. So the length of all the side, every side is 4. Got it? So you just have to add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So the correct option is, it would be 16. The correct option is 16. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the wheel length is 9 and the width is 5. So you just have 9 plus 9 is 18 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So it would be 28. You have to add up all the side lengths. Got it? You can calculate either by calculating their coordinates or either by this is 5. You can calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So 9, 5, 5, 9, 9. That would be 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5. That would be 20. So the side length is, so the parameter of this one is 28. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to calculate the parameter. So which is the correct option? This one is 3 and this one is 3. And I think this one is 8. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8. So for the parameter, you just have to add 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 8. Got it? So 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 6 is 22. So the parameter is 22. Okay, what is the parameter? It would be 34. The correct option is 34. Okay, what is the parameter? The parameter of this one is 14. So the parameter of the shape is, eighteen. The parameter of this one is 18. It would be 24. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 maths. We've started with the chapter probability and statistics. The lessons we have covered are mean, median, mode, and range. Then combinations, interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. Then we have started with chapter geometric measurement, and the lessons we are going to we have covered are parameter and hold on, there is a difference of the name. Let me just change the name. Parameter and find the area of find the area or missing side length of the rectangle. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.